My name is Anish Johnson. I completed my graduation in BSc Statistics in the year 2021, and then I have been with AlmaBetter during my data science journey. And once I completed my data science course, I was placed as a data engineer in LatentView through AlmaBetter. And currently, I'm working out from Chennai in the LatentView as a data engineer. So once I completed my graduation, I wanted a source to learn data science, which was based on practical implementations and real life projects and all. So that's when I got introduced to AlmaBetter, and their curriculum was very interesting, and that kept up with the trend that was going on. Above that, they also provided placement guarantee upon completing the coursework. So whenever we used to have any interviews or any kind of assessments that were provided by the companies, so AlmaBetter team would always be there to support us or give any kind of help that is required in completing the assessments, or be it with the appearing for interviews. So the pool of mentors that AlmaBetter provided was very helpful, like to understand what the industry expects us to be doing. In AlmaBetter's coursework, we also have live lectures as well as recorded, and also proper doubt resolution forum. We can raise our doubts and queries, and they get answered pretty much fast. And the capstone projects were based on real life data. So this gave us a better understanding on how to approach the data and how to build a model and everything. So this was something unique that I didn't find on other courses and all. So AlmaBetter basically gave us an introduction to coding to make us an advanced level. They also gave us proper introduction on how machine learning algorithms work and how we apply them. So anyone who is seeking to learn data science, this would be a great starting point, because they can teach even people who are from a non-IT background. So my overall experience has been very well in learning with AlmaBetter.